conclude after the groundbreaking, and you will be
Mulavinake, and very good morning to you all, the Attorney General and Minister for Public Enterprise, Cabinet Ministers, members of the land owning units, Yabusa Nambo, Turanga to Nambo, Turanga to Rondoko, Yabusa Bunsaile, Turanga to Hule, the Executive Chairman and Board of Directors of Fiji Airports, airport stakeholders, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Banaka, and a very good morning to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, we gather today, this morning, to break ground on an infrastructure project that will forever change the face of the Nosori International Airport. It will also improve the surrounding area and advance the people of Nosori. But before I get into details on this project and how the development it ignites will transform the lives and livelihoods of Fijians around us today, I want to speak of what is becoming a clear pattern of success stories that this runway extension will add to. Ladies and gentlemen, I join you today after returning to Fiji from San Francisco in the last couple of days, where I spoke directly to leaders from around the world to stress the urgency of taking ambitious action to combat climate change. On my flight home, knowing that I would be speaking at this event as soon as I adjusted to the time difference, I had the chance to reflect on the many accomplishments in development and in particular the aviation sector we have witnessed in Fiji over the course of just the past few years. The first of these accomplishments was made obvious from the moment my ticket was printed in California. I came via a direct Fiji Airways flight from San Francisco to Nadi, a route that didn't even exist before 2 years ago. Just last year, that flight proved so popular that it was expanded from a seasonal service to year-round, proving the strength of Fiji Airways and the attraction of Fiji as both a destination and a regional hub for travelers coming in and going from the United States. That expanded route and the other renewed and expanded routes to international destinations like Tokyo and Singapore, and further new code-share partnerships with the likes of Singapore Airlines, British Airways, Jet Airways, and Alaska Airlines are huge accomplishments that only Fijians can be proud of. I'm so proud of Fiji every time I arrive back in Nadi and walk into the newly refurbished International Airport, an airport that is clear and fiscal proof of the progress of both our nation's aviation sector and our economy as a whole. Indeed, it was a proud moment, not just for me, but for the people of Nadi and the entire nation when we officially opened the airport in June after it underwent a total overhaul, with Fiji Airport's investment in the wide-reaching project totaling $129 million. Fiji Airports being a 100% government-owned entity. I can say with full confidence that this money is already proving to have been extremely well spent, and the world is taking notice. Earlier this year, the upgraded airport was ranked one of the most improved in the world, as you've heard from the chairman, an honor earned alongside airports in far larger, wealthier, and more populated countries than our own, from the United States to Canada to Australia. The ranking brought a moment of pride and patriotism to thousands of Fijians who shared the news on their social media pages. This sector has marked further accomplishments, still with the soon-to-be completed Lambasa Night Flights project costing $600,000, and of course the Rotuman runway upgrade, with an investment of over $12 million. I initially said $6 million, but that was first phase of the Rotuman airport development. But the total investment in Rotuman Airport will be about $12 million. And finally, that brings us here now in Nosori, as we mark the beginning of what will undoubtedly prove to be yet another proud accomplishment for aviation in Fiji, the Nosori International Airport runway extension and upgrade. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are breaking ground for much more than just another landmark infrastructure project. Today we break ground on a new era of development and growth for Nosori. Because, my friends, the impact of the Nosori Airport runway extension and upgrade will be much greater than initially meets the eye. It's safe to say that a project of this size and the economic benefits that directly flow from it will totally reshape the area surrounding us today. Come the completion of this project in 2021, the big news story likely won't be the extended runway itself, but the increased value of property around the airport. I can confidently say that with this groundbreaking ceremony, the demand for commercial and residential property in the neighboring areas is already on the rise. As jobs are created and tourists and business people flow in and out of the airport with money to spend, landowners in Nosori will prove to be big winners with increased demand for housing, goods and services. And my government stands at the ready to help landowners make the most of those opportunities that will be ripe for the taking. As was announced again in this year's budget, we have set aside resources to help landowners subdivide their land and therefore have access to more direct income for themselves and for their families. This is already happening. Ladies and gentlemen, a modern world-class airport in Nosori will attract more tourists, more diplomats, and more business travelers to come directly to Suva. And by becoming another primary gateway to Fiji, the people in the communities around us stand to gain in a very big way. Meanwhile, the effects of an upgraded airport with an extended runway will be felt far beyond the homes and businesses in Nosori and Dumba. All of Suva, all of Fiji, and all of the Pacific will be advanced by the new connectivity of this air travel transformation. Today, the largest aircraft that operates out of Nosori is the Fiji Airways Boeing 737, which operates on restricted load capacity to Auckland and Sydney. These international flights are joined by 4 regional and domestic flights serviced by smaller aircraft. In total, Nosori Airport handles nearly 75,000 international passengers and over 250,000 domestic passengers each year, with over 1,200 international flights and over 10,000 domestic flights taking off and landing on this runway last year. My fellow Fijians, remember those numbers now? Because they are set to expand in a very big way when this runway extension is completed in 2.5 years' time. The project, with an estimated Fiji Airport's investment of $60 million, will completely upgrade the airport's existing runway and pavement infrastructure. The runway length will be extended from 1,670 meters to 2,140 meters and widened from 30 meters to 45 meters. Plane taxiways will be widened and a new parking apron will be created outside in preparation for a future phase of planned terminal upgrades. Works will also include the construction of a properly drained strip area and a runway and safety area, the installation and upgrade of associated navigation aids, the diversion of existing road infrastructure, a new perimeter security fence, and a paving new perimeter roading, all of which will come together to make for a well-planned, safer, and more efficient airport. When we talk about a runway extension, this is far more than just a few more meters of pavement. The upgrade and expansion of the airport will fundamentally transform how Nosori Airport operates, from the size and weight of planes it can handle to its ability to host takeoffs and landings even in windy or rainy weather conditions. The extended runway and upgrades will allow bigger aircraft to land in Nosori, to carry more passengers and cargo, and to carry more fuel, resulting in far more doors opening for new routes throughout the region and the world. But when it comes to traveling, the benefits will be felt most by the hundreds of thousands of Fijians here at home who take advantage of domestic routes to visit their friends and families. This major infrastructure development will have the potential to create more destinations within Fiji from Nosori, giving unprecedented convenience to passengers who live closer to Suva by allowing them to connect to more direct flights from here instead of traveling all the way to Nadi. Ladies and gentlemen, this runway upgrades and extension project is only the first phase of my government's grander plan to completely modernize Nosori Airport, much like we did with the unquestionable success story in Nadi. Once the runway project has been completed, the next stage, of course, will be to build a brand new state-of-the-art terminal. And as we prepare for the phases ahead, you can be assured that we will be taking every step to ensure that the new Nosori Airport is truly world-class and aligned with international standards such as those set by ICAO, the International Civil Aviation Organization, much like we did in Nadi. We will be searching near and far to find the best possible candidates to fill the many jobs that this project will create. And we will be following the best practices with an open tender process to attract the best possible retail concessions that will prove to make flying in and out of Nosori as pleasant and seamless a process as possible. Because with its expanded runway and flight paths, paired with a newly refurbished terminal filled with attractive new vendors, Nosori Airport will join Nadi as a gateway to Fiji that we can all be proud of. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the Executive Chairman, the Board of Directors, and each and everyone at Fiji Airports for their dedication to developing our nation's network of airports, both small and large, for the benefit of Fijian families everywhere who are brought that much closer together by their hard work. I look forward to seeing the new Nosori Airport runway by the beginning of 2021. Thank you. God bless you all.